Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm continuing to build this blade skins for Aurora. So far, let me show you what progress I've been at. So far, I've managed to get most of the UI design down. Um, some of these links are working now, even though I'm still having issues pulling over the information to each different submenu. Um, I managed to fill in all the tabs as I would with the previous skin that was released earlier this summer. But some of the information are not carrying over, which I'm still in the midst of figuring out. One of the next thing I'm going to be doing is working on the games tab. So what I think I may do, I may allow a button to lead to a separate page with the game cover flow, as Aurora would have it. That's one idea. And this screen would just be for if you put a game disc in, you'll see the game cover art over here for the game disc, and the name for the game will go in this slot right here. I think that's what I may end up doing. So you can launch the game disc from here, but if you want to launch an actual game, you can go into the menu. As for categorize, whether between 360 games, arcade, classic, Xbox game emulator, or Homebrew, I'm working on that because the filter in original Aurora works on the one screen. So I don't know if I can split them up. I'll try. It's a bit of trial and error, but I'll try and do that. Um, so the restart, reboot, and shutdown works. The temperature section works. Here you'll be able to see your avatar and gamer score, and you can choose a different profile to sign in with. I am still having issues with the profile picture showing up. I did do some experiment and I get it to show up in one version, but it ended up breaking, so I'm to revert back to this. So I'm gonna have to try extract the part that actually allows the picture to come up. Um, I'm still like getting issue having the content page to show up, but the rest show up quite successfully. And for the theme, all of this show up. The sort is blank, which means that the information is not bringing over. I'm still experimenting with that. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to load this up on the console and let's see what's working and what's not. And then we'll work from there back and forth to get this up and running to a certain part. I'm trying to get this finished by New Year's, but if I'm continuing to run into bugs, I'm not going to do a rush release, but I will be releasing regular videos to show the progress of everything. So let's transfer this to the console and let's head over there and see how it behaves on it. Alright, so this was a first attempt to get everything to work, and I changed one thing to get the gamer picture, and yeah, see where it breaks everything. So I removed that one thing and I reloaded up back the skin. So let's reload it and see if that fixes it. Okay, so it didn't fix it. Okay, so I think I know what's causing this part. Alright, I'm gonna reload up that skin again. I'm gonna remove that other one element, and we'll see if that fix the issue. Alright, so I've managed to remove that one setting that's causing everything to messed up. So that I'm gonna have to look into. So this is a skin so far I've reached. Yeah, so the spot works as I mentioned. Okay, so let's see. Still not getting content to come up. Still have to get this module section to work. Alright, so with the language section, you can change the language, but it won't change like the tab name and so forth, 'cause those have to be manually edited, and there's no way to connect those elements to Aurora for some other reason. Okay, so these. So over here. Alright, so that's still not showing up. I'm gonna have to look into that. Okay, so I need to modify this. So nothing is showing up in the bottom window. Alright, so this seemed to work. Okay, so that hangs up right there. That I need to look into. Let's go back into that section. Okay, so there's a bug right there also. And everything seemed to hang up. Alright, so I'm gonna switch back over to the XUI tool editor and see what else could be causing that. Alright, so at this point, seem to be walking on eggshells at this point. So this is the one file that messed everything up that I had to replace. For some reason it have a different schema. I tried to pull this from the original skin or default skin and pull it over, but it seemed to mess up everything. It does have all the information that I need to make the skin work, but it seems to mess up every other setting. So I'm gonna have to look into this and compare it and see what's different. Yeah, so I'm going to have to go through this and see what's this schema or what this XML file is doing differently from the original. That could lead me to resolve a lot of things. So I'm going to look into that. As regard to most of these files, this is the main Aurora file that I'm working with. For the theme section, I'm going to have to see what's causing everything to actually freeze. So we're looking at the theme. Alright, so let's go to tab 3. Column. Let's go into the left. Alright, so up, down, navigate to that. That seems fine. So this seems okay. Alright, so let's lock this in place. So if I go right, that's background enabled. Let's send this to itself. So if I go right or left, it shouldn't do anything. But for some reason, when it's pressing right or left, it was going somewhere else. So the only thing I want to work here is the back button. And as for key to press, let's put A only. Background. And let's set this to itself. This animation override. Navigate tab back and forward. Just try to confine the navigation within itself so it doesn't try to do something in the background and freezes, which seems to what's happening. Do the same thing to this. So this is config. Put this to A only. Yeah, so we're at the point in modifying things for Aurora where things are getting touchy. So go down. Go to right. Press right on this. Let's go back to change. Change. Alright, so where does right column goes to? Okay, so it goes to this. But this go back to left column. Alright, so let's assign this to itself. Let's just use A only. I'm hoping that fixes some of the issues. Alright. Let's save this. theme. So let's reload that. There go the tab that have scene. Okay, that's right. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna re-upload this to the console. I'll do some more testing. So yeah, this is as far as reach in the skin. So I reached the eggshell process where I modify one thing and it wrecks everything. So I'm just going through just a few trial and error, but I will iron out a few bugs, and in the next 2 days or so, I'll release another video on the progress I've made. But so far, given from where I started for where I am right now, it's been going pretty good. I just have to try to link all the Aurora functions to this to make sure that everything works the way it should and the information is carried over. Alright, if you have any questions or suggestions below, you can just leave the comments, like and subscribe. And as I continue to make more videos, I appreciate your guys' support. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one.